Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Stacey, and for today's video I'll be doing an avocado deep conditioning hair mask. And of course, for this tutorial I'm going to be using an avocado which moisturizes the hair and is therefore very good for dry hair. Mayonnaise moisturizes the hair, reduces frizz and promotes hair growth. Almond oil easily penetrates the hair shaft and helps in retaining moisture. Ayurvedic oil prevents hair loss and also promotes hair growth. Honey is a humectant which draws moisture to the hair, and it's also an emollient which softens and makes the hair shinier. So to begin making the mask, you're going to need a bowl and of course the ripe avocado fruit. For me, I just cut the fruit and use the quantity that I want to use on my hair, and I usually just take a spoon and begin to scrape out the fruit until just the back is left. From here, I believe everything is self-explanatory, so just keep watching the video till the end. So now I'm just going to go in with my hand blender to make sure it's very smooth. I want a very smooth consistency at least. So I'm going to use my hand blender until the consistency is what I want. So I'm going to apply this mask on my freshly washed hair. You want to make sure your hair is clean before you apply this mask, else its benefits will be limited. So that's what I'm just going to do right now. This mask is very good because it leaves my hair shinier, softer and deeply moisturized. I wish I could use it every week. That's how good this mask is. After applying this mask to my entire hair, I just cover it with a plastic bag and stay under heat for 45 minutes and then wash it all off. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye and have a happy new year.